I reviewed over 70 Korean ice creams, and here are the top 10 best Korean ice creams for 2023. Starting off with number 10, we have the sweet corn ice bar. If you're looking for a unique and delicious ice cream, this is it. It comes with a milky corn flavored cream covered with chewy corn inside. The ice cream itself is sweet and has a smooth corn taste. I like that the kernel is sweet and a little bit salty, which makes for an interesting taste. Number 9 is injalmi green tea bingsu. This is one of the best hidden gem ice creams that I've had. I normally don't get bingsu outside of a Korean dessert cafe since they taste way better when they're freshly made, but this one blew away my expectations. The mochi was actually soft and chewy, and the roasted bean and green tea ice together tasted so good. I highly recommend trying this if you like Korean shaped ice desserts. Number 8, we have strawberry Salmon Co. At first glance, this might look really simple, but it's actually packed with a lot of delicious addictive flavors. It comes with this fish-shaped wafer filled with a creamy and velvety vanilla ice cream and strawberry syrup. When you eat it together, it tastes like a glass of fresh strawberry milk, and the flavors explode in your mouth like fireworks. This is a top-tier Korean ice cream that you have to try. Number 7, we have Summer Crush. This ice cream tube has an icy, creamy texture with a smooth coffee taste. It almost tastes like this Korean instant coffee called Maxim. It's really sweet, but it's super addictive at the same time. You can also snap it in half and share it with someone else, so it's a nice treat to have with another person. Number 6 is Watermelon Bar. Again, another hidden gem ice cream that's highly addictive. This bar comes with a creamy sorbet-like texture on the top that tastes like a mix between strawberry and watermelon, while the green part is tart and sweet. The seeds are actually chocolate-covered peanuts that complement the ice cream really well. If you want to try something new, then I highly recommend trying this. Number 5 is Tank Boy. This is one of the most delicious Korean ice creams that you can find. It's basically a tube filled with Korean pear flavored frozen ice. It sounds simple, but the sweet, fruity, nectary, delicious flavors of Korean pear will have you eating this again and again. This ice cream tests my willpower sometimes because I can end up eating the entire bag in one sitting if I'm not careful. You have to try this amazing ice cream. Number 4, we have Ube Melona. This was one of the rarest Melona flavors out there because for some time, it wasn't sold at any of the H Mart where I lived. When I finally found it, I understood the hype right away. It has a sweet, nutty vanilla taste with a hint of coconut, and the texture is so smooth and creamy like butter. Out of all the Melona flavors out there, this one definitely stands out the most. You have to try this flavor when you get the chance. Number 3, we have Bangtoa cookies and cream sandwich. This ice cream consists of the softest cookies and cream ice cream sandwiched between two pillowy sponge cake. The moment you eat this, you get an explosion of vanilla chocolate flavors with a subtle taste of coffee. The sponge cake also just melts in your mouth, and it perfectly complements the ice cream. Number 2, we have Jaws Bar. This is another childhood favorite, and it still tastes really good. This ice cream consists of a hard orange exterior and a soft and smooth strawberry sorbet interior, which gives it that interesting texture, and not to mention a delicious fruity combo. Also, this ice cream is shaped like a shark. I mean, how cool is that? This is one of those ice creams that I can eat over and over again. And before we go to our number 1 pick, here are some honorable mentions. Scoop Matcha ice cream. This is actually made by a dessert cafe in New York called Spot Dessert. This is a stellar ice cream and deserves a shout out. The moment you eat this, you get an explosion of green tea and chocolate flavors. I also love the grainy textures and brownie pieces inside. Next is Pick Bar. This comes with a vanilla ice cream coated in chocolate crumbs and filled with strawberry jam. Sort of similar to Good Humor's ice cream. You get the creamy chocolate flavors on the outside and a fruity tart strawberry taste on the inside. It's simple but really addictive. And last, we have the Greek yogurt blueberry ice cream. This is one of the best new ice creams that I tried, and I think it deserves a shout out. It comes with a delicious vanilla soft shell and a creamy frozen yogurt on the inside. One bite and you get a fruity blueberry jam combined with the yogurt that explode like fireworks in your mouth. I highly recommend trying this. And finally, the number 1 Korean ice cream for 2023 is Screwbar. If I could pick just one ice cream to eat for the rest of my life, this would be it. It has an insanely addictive strawberry and apple flavor, and when eaten together, your taste buds go to heaven. If I were to introduce anyone to Korean ice cream for the first time, I would definitely start out with this one. And that's my list. Thanks for watching, and I hope you can try all of these ice creams.